That's how I knew. Good vibes and vibrations, and you always making my day. And tell me, baby, it's kinda crazy. How did you get all that patience? Swear I'll never go back. Got me off of my Prozac. Never ever gonna have to write another text out in my notes app. 'Cause